Nathan Cruz, Director of the P3 Division at Carlson Software. I want to give you an idea of the high performance and scalable nature of the new Precision 3D platform, and demonstrating here the Precision 3D Culverts 2015 application. So one thing I'm going to do is show this task monitor, which is showing the current CPU utilization. And this is a quad core Core i7 running a little over 4 gigahertz. And it has a total of 8 execution units with hyperthreading. And what I'm going to demonstrate is P3D's not only ability, but its willingness to use every single execution core available on the machine to do loading. And I'll explain a little bit of what's happening in the background. So I'm going to open up a scene, and I'm going to open up a scene that has multiple scenarios, multiple surfaces, and each one of those surfaces has multiple watersheds. And if you'll notice, all of these watersheds are currently calculating, and you'll also see that every one of these CPU cores at this point is doing lots of work. So simultaneously, we've just loaded 3 different scenarios, 3 different surfaces, and we've calculated watersheds, including pond elevations, all simultaneously. So we can go back to our original ground, look at that storm event. We can go to the next version of this particular surface. We can take a look at the various storm events, and you can see that they've all been recalculated. We get different pond results. We go down to our final design here, where we have additional ponding, and we have 3 different storms that were calculated, a couple of SCS and then also some rational storms. And if you notice, when we loaded the application, we reran all of these analysis based on the parameters that were saved in the file, and they run simultaneously. Another performance capability is, if you notice, it's P3D is inherently a multi-textured environment, and we allow you to do all of your work in a multi-textured environment. So for example, when we go in and actually do manipulation on a surface, and we're modifying the DTM and we're inserting these actual head walls, one thing that you'll notice is that we're working in a real-time multi-textured environment. And in doing that, we actually utilize all of the cores that you have available on your machine in order to handle all of the various aspects of doing the DTM operations, and also handling all the multi-texture fix-ups as well. Of power and capability that Precision 3D brings to the table, where it will actually scale with your hardware. So if you want to throw 12 cores at it, it will utilize every bit of that. And so this is not only the first 3D design platform, but it's the first design engineering platform that will utilize all of the hardware that you install the application on, both video card, graphics, processing power, and as many cores as you want to throw at it with the CPU.